Hello, my name is Jose Villamil. I am from Colombia. Today I'm going to eat fortune teller. How well do you think things there are going to happen in the next 20 years? Let's begin. Bueno, las predicciones para el año 2000, para los próximos 20 años. Entonces, son 10. Entonces, la primera es, bueno, one. I'm 20 years. People win table to Mars for vacation. 2. Terry will win fringe cars in big cities like New York and Tokyo. 3. Artificial intelligence is going to be part of our daily lives, even school. 4. Main people whiteboard from virtual reality office and homes. 5. New diseases will appear, but medicine is going to be more advanced. 6. Climate change will cause stronger storms and hotter summers. 7. Theory will be brought, helping in this hospital and taking care of all people. 8. People are going to eat more insects and food because they are aligned and sustainable. 9. The world will use more green energy like solar and wind power. 10. In the future, maybe we will communication with animals using technology. These are my predictions for the next 20 years. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my vision of the future. See you next time. Thank you.